You can order the fan assembly used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Honda Accord Car Battery. You need to drain the coolant circuit. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush Honda Accord. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the coolant hose attached to the fan assembly. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the coolant reservoir retaining bolt. Then remove it. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Next, using a pair of adjustable pliers, compress the retaining ring of the coolant hose which is connected to the radiator. Then remove the hose. You now need to disengage the fan assembly from the radiator. Disconnect the two power connectors from the fan assembly by pressing the tabs and pulling on them. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 bolts holding the fan assembly to the radiator. Lift the fan assembly to access the harness located on the passenger side in the lower part and unclip it. You can now remove the fan assembly. You can order the fan assembly used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Using a Phillips screwdriver, retrieve the bracket from the old fan assembly and install it on the new one. Take the new fan assembly and check its 3 retaining lugs. You can now install the fan assembly by inserting the 3 lugs into their rubber insulators. Then screw the 3 bolts back in by hand at first. Finish off tightening with a ratchet. Clip the harness back on and reconnect the 2 fan power connectors. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Clip the coolant hose back in to the fan assembly. Then, put the hose clamp back in place. Take the new coolant reservoir. Put it back in its place. Reconnect the hose. Then screw the bolt back in roughly by hand. Finish off tightening with a ratchet. Now you need to refill the radiator with coolant and purge any air from the circuit. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush Honda Accord. Operation complete.